she AFK or something?
You summoned me. Yes! Yes!
Good job.
I don't know why they're giving up. But we're going for ADEP, so I'm just going with it. Maybe we get them all.
Another one.